So the AI apocalypse is officially here, and it's not because ChatGPT is going to take over the world, but it's because your YouTube and social media feed is getting flooded with content about how to make money with AI and ChatGPT. Now, I'm sure there are ways to make money with ChatGPT, and I don't knock the hustle, but if you stopped and started to think to yourself, how can all these creators and influencers say you can make $1,000 a day or $10,000 a month or become an overnight millionaire with ChatGPT when this chatbot has not even been around for 6 months? So instead of doing that, today I'm going to share with you legit websites that I have been using for years and that you can start using right now to make money with AI. And I will show you how much I've earned with some of these websites myself. So if you want to hear from a real person making real money with AI, then you're in the right place. Let's go. So these are real direct deposits into my personal PayPal account that I've received from a company called Appen. And as you can see here, a couple months ago I made almost $700, and then after that I made almost $800, and then recently I made about $500, and I would have made way more than that, but it was a really crazy and hectic month. So if you're not familiar, Appen is a legit company based in Australia that has been around since 1996. This company is publicly traded, and they provide or improve data used for the development of machine learning and artificial intelligence products. And real quick, let's take a pause right here and briefly explain machine learning, because you will see that this is the main way that you can start making money with most of the websites that I will share with you today. So according to IBM, machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science that focuses on the use of data and algorithms to imitate the way that humans learn, gradually improving its accuracy. So basically, this is training and teaching AI using data and human insight. This has been around for decades and has led to the creation of that voice that answers you back when you talk to your phone, like Siri or Alexa or Google Assistant. Now back to Appen. I've been a part of Appen for over 3 years, and they provide a variety of projects that you can do from home and make real money. And as you can see here, you can go to their website, join the crowd. They provide part-time flexible jobs, micro tasks, survey and data collection, and a bunch of other projects that you could sign up for. And the project that I am currently doing is ridiculously simple. I mean, ridiculously simple. I literally answer yes or no questions on my computer or my iPad, and I get paid almost $800 a month to do it. I could honestly make more money doing this, but I don't always have the time. And in this list, you will find that all the websites I will share with you have these types of opportunities to make money teaching AI by doing really simple tasks. Now I have a more in-depth video about Appen that you can check out to learn how to sign up and find jobs. I also have a link in the description that you can use right now to sign up, so check that out. Next up is a company called LXT AI. This company provides high-quality AI training data, annotation, and data collection. They currently provide a way for you to work from home with a flexible schedule, grow your skills in AI training, and get paid weekly. Now, I'm going to keep this one short because I have a full dedicated video for you to check out about LXT AI, but for now, feel free to visit their website and sign up. Another company to check out is Toloka, and hopefully I didn't butcher that name. This is a crowdsourcing platform and microtasking project launched by Yandex. It's like spandex, but with a Y. Anyway, they launched in 2014, and what this company does is quickly mark up large amounts of data, which are then used for machine learning and improving search algorithms. The proposed tasks are usually simple and do not require any special training. So this company allows you to make money from home online by doing what's called micro tasks. And these micro tasks help train self-driving vehicles, virtual assistants, and much more. So really quick, we could check out their website. So you can go and it tells you you can get paid to make an impact. You can do micro tasks that support new AI products and research and earn money wherever and whenever you want. All you need is a device connected to the internet. And all you got to do is hit start earning money and it'll take you to where you need to sign up. So really quick, just to show you, they have different types of tasks. You could do image and video, text, audio, city tasks, information and surveys. And they show you some of the reasons to sign up. Simple tasks, it's convenient, fast payments, and they also have a mobile app. So they have an app that's available on iPhones and on Android devices. So definitely check it out. I did look into it and it actually has some pretty decent ratings. So that's another one that you could check out and see if you can make a couple of extra bucks on the side. And real quick, they even tell you how it works. You could take a few minutes to sign up. It's free. You complete a quick training to learn how to do a particular type of task. You pick the task that you want to do on your computer or in the app, and then you carefully read the instructions and complete the assignment. And then you withdraw your earnings with their fast and secure methods. And then also you tell your friends, and you get a referral bonus for telling your friends. And then you can see here they have a bunch of different ways that you can get paid, like PayPal and a bunch of other options as well. So I've heard that it's a great way to actually make a little bit extra income, so definitely sign up and check them out as well. Now the next website to check out is called Clickworker. Clickworker is an AI training company that uses the power of a global crowd of clickworkers to generate, validate, and label data. Clickworker was founded in 2005, and this site provides a way for you to do micro jobs and make money. So really quick, I actually have had an account with Clickworker for years, and I've been on and off with it. But you can see here what you can do. You can make money from just downloading the app. You can make money by taking photos. You can make money by uploading a confirmation and shipping label. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can make money. Now, obviously, you're not going to get rich with Clickworker, but it is a great thing to do, especially with their app where you can make a couple of bucks on the side. For me, I've actually made a few bucks on Clickworker. Again, it's not anything to go crazy over, but it was really easy to do just on my phone, sitting on my couch. Now, recently, I haven't worked on Clickworker much because I have a bunch of side hustles, but not enough time because I do work a 9 to 5. And I focus my attention on different side hustles at different times, but I have heard that people can actually make some decent side income on this site. Now, if you followed my channel, then you know that I love working with a company called Telus International. If you're not familiar, Telus International is a Canadian technology company that is a customer experience innovator that designs, builds, and delivers next-gen digital solutions for global and disruptive brands like Apple and Google. Now, this company has a designated AI community jobs section, and here's how you get to it. So when you're on their website, you're actually going to go to careers. And then when you're on this screen, instead of hitting full-time positions, you actually hit AI community positions. And they have a bunch of different AI jobs that you can check out from really anywhere in the world. So definitely check this website out. I've worked on and off for Telus International for over 3 years, and I've made some really great side hustle money with this company. And I'll just show you a couple of direct deposits. So this is just recently, just a couple bucks here, 40 bucks, and then 200 bucks here, 500 bucks there. So, and if you're new to Telus International, then check out my videos where I share much more about how much I've made, how to apply, and the best jobs to sign up for. And real quick, I'll give you a quick story. A couple years back, I actually did a project with Telus International where I was paid to chat with a chatbot. It was cool and scary at the same time as I went back and forth with this chatbot. So I may have single-handedly been responsible for creating ChatGPT, I'm just saying. And if that is the case, you're welcome, and I'm sorry. So let us know in the comments if you have signed up for any of these platforms before, and if there are any that you would like me to do a dedicated video on. So this was just a few of the websites and apps that you can literally sign up for today to start making money with AI. Did you find this content useful? Then consider supporting the channel by just hitting that like button or becoming a member of the channel.